So the output of the GI Javelin effort that has presented opportunity not only for NGA but for the entire community and the services is understanding how we take our value of geospatially enabled data to provide the GEOINT output and the value of that in a shared space of eyesight, and as well as partnerships with GIE. So the priorities for us is to understand how we leverage efficiently and how we scale and how we are ahead of the curve as far as being ready to pay for this monetarily as we go forward. I'll give you an example. What we've outlined in our roadmap is the platform, geospatial platform as a service. Okay. It'll be always running, but that's a challenge. And so meaning if you build it, they will come. And we have no numbers to state what those would be. So I'll give an example of if the agencies all of a sudden had a mission requirement to have 10,000 concurrent users to consume some services, those services are going to have a price tag associated with them that we need to be prepared for. So our priorities is to make sure that the legacy licensing models from companies and even infrastructure providers adopt to a managed service construct so that we know ahead of time what we're stepping into so we can prepare for that. Yeah. So that's a financial responsibility that we're prioritizing. The other portion is to ensure that we're enhancing mission, not just taking the way we do business today and commingling the data and having everybody work with that to hopefully enhance mission, but to actually change the way we work with the data to not be so prescriptive on how we write applications that are tightly coupled to the data, as was mentioned before. So separating the applications from the data, presenting data layers so that applications can be written to an apps mall for eyesight. So those questions for the unknowns can be asked so that similarities in activity-based intelligence are derived from object-based production, which is part of an initiative to actually take the value of the attributes to an object and have that be shared across the entire community. Wow. at a moment's notice, right? Yeah. So two priorities, financial responsibility as well as enhancing the mission intelligence value gleaned from big data as well as the other types of data that we're going to be working with.
That's a great point.